On the Bernina 480, you have the ability to mirror image every single stitch in this machine, but not just right and left, but also flip it from top to bottom. A good example and visual would be to take a stitch from the 900s. Let's use the turtle today. And you can see that the turtle has his feet go into the left. He starts with the tail and sews to his head. So the mirror images are, when you touch the eye, you'll see the little triangles flip-flopping. I always love that now what you see on your screen is exactly what you're going to get on the fabric. So if you were to touch the first mirror image, the right-left, you'll notice that his feet flip-flopped and his feet are now on the right side. So one way, the other way. All right, let's turn them off and then let's use the other one, the top-bottom mirror image. So now it's going to actually reverse him stitching from now his head to his tail. So tail to head, head to tail. Now you can actually put both mirror images together, and so actually sew with his legs flipped on the other side and now from the head to the tail. So you can control which way, instead of having to turn your fabric and have lots of extra thickness all in the inside just because you want to stitch kind of sewing this way instead of that way, is go ahead and mirror image the pattern on screen so you always keep the bulk of the fabric out to this direction. Now remember, if you were to actually do some items into memory, touch the plus and let's go into the turtle. So if we wanted to put one turtle in, and I'm going to put another one, but the second one I actually want to have mirror imaged and facing him. So if I actually put both of them on, we can actually see, let's open this up, and oh, nope, he isn't facing the right direction. I flipped him one too many times here. So with the, oh yes, I did. And so isn't that nice to know? We can actually see which way it's actually going. This is what we were going for. So we can see the turtles are actually now looking at each other. So if I wanted to, I could put even a little heart between them if I wanted to. And that would be done by going to the decorative stitches. How about the little heart 413? And let's see, did I get it in the middle? I sure did. So now I can stitch all three of those together, even save it if I wanted to save that combination, but now all the turtles are facing the right direction.